So one thing I see a lot in solves, especially with people who haven't been solving for a while, and especially in OH, is this thing I call tick-tock turning. Now this is where instead of having a nice smooth solve, so where all the moves flow into each other, say, what happens instead is just you get going tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock. And clearly, so this doesn't look nice, as you can see by the solves that I put on screen now. It doesn't look nice, nor is it very helpful, because it can feel like you're moving fast, you're turning faster than you actually are, because there's this little pause after each move where you're just not doing anything. So while the turn itself might be fast, the whole solve is not, and it doesn't look nice. It doesn't feel nice when you solve once you know how to do it smoothly. Instead of just practicing algs over and over again, like this, say, what you can do instead is practice where you do two moves in one go. So say, instead of going R, U, you go R, U. And here, instead of going U prime, R prime, you go. So it's one smooth motion. Now this is especially helpful for OH, where instead of going R, U, you can go. So you're moving your fingers at almost the same time. And it's also useful to be able to do it the other way. So you go R, U, and then make sure you can do it the other way. U, R prime. So it looks like it's just one smooth motion, really, of the bar going from here to there. So yeah, you can just keep practicing things like this. There's also MU, say, which is also useful, and other things. So one nice one is there, and you go, instead of going R, U to R prime, you can just go. So that's three moves, essentially one motion. So if you just keep practicing that, eventually you'll find that your solves not only look and feel nicer, but they also will be faster, because you don't have that little pause. So that's compound finger tricks. Just a little thing I'd like to put out there in case some of you weren't aware of it. I'll do the bars method video in, well, I'm working on it now, but I haven't really worked out a nice script or whatever you call it, just to make it nice and clear. But it should hopefully be out within the next 2 weeks, I reckon. So that's it for now. I hope you learned something, and make sure that your solves, just to reiterate one more time, make sure that your turning is nice and smooth. Another thing I advocate for this is slow solving, where you don't do tick-tock solving, you do slow, smooth turning in your solves. So that's it for today. I will see you guys at some time.